Okay, don't freak out, but what I'm about to tell you, people are actually using this and their specific person is showing up in under an hour. I know, your brain probably wants to argue with that. Like, no way, that's not possible. But I'm telling you, it's happening. Real people, real stories. They're doing this exact thing and then boom. Texts, calls, even random "I miss you" messages from people they thought were completely done with them. I mean, imagine this. You've been waiting for weeks, maybe even months. You've cried over them. You've replayed old memories. You've scrolled through your old photos like a maniac. And then, out of nowhere, your phone lights up. It's them, no warning. Just a message that says, "Hey, I was just thinking about you." Or even wilder, "I don't know why, but I really miss you." It happens more than you'd think. And the weirdest part? It's not some long method. It's not some complicated ritual. You don't need candles, moonlight, or a 5-hour meditation. It takes just a couple minutes. That's it. It's something you can literally do sitting in your car, lying in bed, standing in the shower. You don't have to be a master manifester or some guru. You just have to be open for a few minutes. And I mean really open. That's the key. So if you click off now, you'll probably miss the one thing that could change everything. And I'm not saying that for dramatic effect. I'm saying it because if you've tried everything else, if you've scripted, if you've visualized, if you've begged the universe and still nothing, this could be the missing piece. Hey, I'm glad you're here. Seriously. I know how it feels when you want that one person to come back, to call you, text you, maybe even show up at your door. And not because you're desperate or weak, but because something in your soul still feels connected to them. Like unfinished business, like they still matter. And today, I'm gonna walk you through something that might just make that happen. But only if you do it with the right mindset. That's the part that trips people up. They want results, but they're carrying doubt, fear, desperation. And that energy? It blocks everything. So stay with me till the end, all right? Don't skip. Don't scroll. Just breathe and be here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a moment where you were just so sure something was going to happen, and it did? Like you just knew someone was about to text you and boom, there it was. You didn't do anything crazy. You didn't light a candle or chant under the stars. You just felt it coming, like an inner radar that locked in on the frequency. That's not a fluke. That's not just intuition. That's your energy calling it in. You are way more powerful than you've been taught to believe. And the truth is, most people don't realize how fast things can shift when you stop doubting it, when you stop checking the clock, stop checking their profile, stop telling yourself, it's too late. Here's the deal. Your reality is just reflecting whatever you believe to be true. Let that sink in. Your thoughts aren't just private. They're creating right now. So if you're thinking, they won't come back, guess what? That belief is shaping what happens. It's like placing an order with the universe, but putting the wrong address. The energy gets confused. It says, okay, I guess they don't want this person back. And boom, silence. But if you can suspend all that, just for the next few minutes, drop the "it's too late" or "they probably moved on" story, and instead get into a space where you believe, this is already mine. That's when the shift happens. That's when the text shows up. That's when they randomly pass by you. That's when they suddenly remember you in a dream or wake up missing you, because now your energy is calling them in. All right, ready? Let's try this together. Wherever you are right now, just pause for a second. No pressure. Just be still. Close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel your shoulders relax. Let the tension go. Forget the last argument. Forget the ghosting. Forget the months of silence. And just for this moment, choose to believe that a miracle is normal. That getting what you want isn't some big event. It's just your new reality. You don't need a sign. You are the sign. You don't need to chase. You just align. Now, in your mind, I want you to repeat this with me. I am so thankful that my specific person is already on their way to me. Say it again, slowly. I am so thankful that my specific person is already on their way to me. Let that gratitude fill your chest. Breathe it in. Let it feel real. Imagine your phone lighting up. Imagine seeing their name pop up. Feel that excitement like it's already happening, like it's done. And here's the secret most people miss. It's not about begging, forcing, or overthinking. It's about expecting, not hoping, not wishing, expecting. Like when you order food, you don't wonder if it's coming. You just wait for the doorbell. Same thing here. Your SP is already on the way, so stop watching the clock and start trusting the energy. Now here's what's wild. Most people who've done this exact thing heard from their specific person in 15, 30, 45 minutes. Yeah, really. They weren't refreshing their inbox or pacing around their room waiting for something to happen. They weren't sitting in desperation mode, obsessing, overthinking, or checking if it worked. They just allowed it. They stepped into that energy of it's done. And then, like magic, boom, their phone lit up. A message popped in. Or someone casually mentioned their name, or they spotted their initials somewhere random. Not because they begged, but because they shifted into that "it's already mine" energy. Let that hit. They didn't do anything dramatic. They just decided. They let their nervous system calm down and chose to believe fully with no backup plan. So here's what I want you to do. Hold that feeling. Really hold it. Don't just nod and say, yeah, and then slip right back into old thoughts. Keep that vibration steady, like you already got the thing you wanted. Like you just opened the door and they were standing there with a smile saying, "Hey, I missed you." Hold that feeling like it's the most delicate, powerful thing in your hands, and don't spiral. Don't go down that rabbit hole of, what if it doesn't work? Or maybe it was just a fluke for them, not me. Stop right there. That kind of thinking. It slows everything down. You can literally feel your energy tighten up when doubt creeps in. So don't give it space, and don't check your phone every 2 seconds. I know it's tempting. We all do it. But when you check constantly, you're telling your energy, "I don't believe it's already done. I need proof." And guess what? That pushes it further away. It shifts you back into lack. So instead, let's flip it. Just go do something fun, light, chill. Seriously. Watch your favorite show. Dance around your room. Take a walk. Go get a snack. Call a friend who makes you laugh. Do anything that gets your mind off the waiting and into the feeling of being full, whole, aligned. Because that's the energy that pulls things in fast. And let that energy keep flowing. Don't interrupt it with fear or control. Let it move through you like a wave that just knows where it's going. If you really want to go all in, set a timer for 60 minutes and just expect something. That's it. Not obsess, not demand, just expect. A call, a text, a sign, anything. And I mean anything. Even if it's not a full-blown love confession, maybe they like your old photo. Maybe they show up in a dream. Maybe you hear a song that was your song. It's all part of the same wave. Don't dismiss the small signs. They're often the proof that it's working before the big thing lands. So watch how it comes. Watch how things align in ways you couldn't have planned. When it happens, because it will, come back and comment what you got. Seriously, I want to hear it. Let's blow this comment section up with proof. Real proof. Let's show the people who are still doubting that this isn't a maybe. It's a choice. It's energy. It's alignment. And it's working every single day. Some people are going to say it's coincidence. Let them. We know better. We know the shift. We know what happens when you stop chasing and start receiving. And if you want more powerful ways to get your specific person to not just reach out, but actually chase you, stick with me. Because this is just the beginning. This is just the first step. Hit that subscribe button and join the membership. We're building something real here, something deep, something magnetic. And next time, we're going even deeper, into the mindset that makes them obsessed, into the inner confidence that makes you the one they can't stop thinking about, into the practices that flip the script completely, where you become the one in control of the story. Don't miss it. You came this far for a reason. Something in you knows this is working. So let's keep going. See you in the next video.